Hi everyone and welcome to another vlog. It's actually very late in the day right now. It's like 3 or 4 o'clock. I have some special guests. We've got Imani here, Elisa, always a little guest. There's KFC going on the floor. They've just had lunch not long ago. And we have Maya. Hey! We have made Banjo come in the house because he is just outside most of the time. And Maya loves cats, so we have made him come in the house, but he just looks like he wants to go back out.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
But I don't know, I wish Banjo was more of an indoor cat. But he's not an indoor cat, he just loves to be outside now, so that's what he likes to do. But I'm trying to sort out the house. Like yesterday I went out and I didn't like get anything done after the party day. So my house is a mess. I have piles and piles of clothes washing to do. Maya and Imani are here, which is nice. They're just chilling and we are just about to set up some crafty bits that they're going to do. And then we're actually going to film a Q&A, which is exciting. I've asked on Instagram for questions, so that is where the questions are going to come from. Yeah, that's basically what's going on. I haven't really done much apart from edit and upload the video earlier, and that's it really. I'm going to be cooking some curries and some naan breads later on, and my mom's going to come down and we're just going to have a lovely feast. But yeah, Issa's asleep upstairs. Imani and Elisa are just in the other room playing on are they playing on the Switch?
They're playing on my tablet.
On your tablet, yes, that's it. So yeah, that's what's going on.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Hey Banjo. Hey Banjo. Hey. Banjo just walking around. Hey, what you doing? Hey. Hey. Oh, cute.
We have got the craft boxes out,
And I'm making my crafty bag.
Imani's making some more sweeties. What are you making today?
Today I'm making pick and mix.
Pick and mix.
Can you make me a little palette and a little laptop, okay? Like
No.
Paper.
Maybe. Me and Elisa have just made animal cookies. Inspiration from Imani.
And look.
Yes, we've got little animals in there and they've got icing with glitter. Hey? Yeah, Elisa thought of the animal cookies. Maya did this little saying on here, play, cuddle, meow. And she's out there with Banjo now. Imani, what are you doing here?
I am doing the X now.
A meow meeting.
Maybe it was trying to get to the door.
Yeah, maybe. We have asked some questions on Instagram and we're going to answer them while we're doing some crafty bits.
Yes.
So, let's get the questions.
Mom, actually I'm going to start the table.
Okay. The first question is, this is for Maya and Imani and Elisa. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want be a ballerina and mummy.
A ballerina and a mummy?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
And I only want to be them.
I only want to be them. What about you guys?
I want to be an artist.
An
that
artist?
paints
Paints
pictures.
Paints pictures.
And they get put on display so everyone can see them.
Oh.
And I'm going to draw.
Like in a gallery?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what about you, Maya?
I want to be an artist and someone like who works like in a place where you get like pets that have been in danger or stuff, and then bring them to other people's houses.
Like an animal shelter?
Yeah.
Yes. Lovely, lovely. Next question is for you two. What is your favourite thing about each other?
Money cuddles me sometimes.
Ah, Imani cuddles
And
you
so I have
sometimes.
somebody to play with and talk to when I'm bored, especially in lockdown.
It's nice to have
And
a
also
sister.
just when I'm at home and also at school.
Yeah.
So.
It's nice to have somebody to talk to, isn't it? Question is, who is your favourite auntie?
That all of them.
Secretly me though, right? They don't want to say it because everyone else will watch this video and get sad, right?
I love all of them.
You love all of them. You guys are very fair.
I don't like answering.
You guys are super fair and lovely.
That's my unicorn.
The next question is, your best memory with Auntie Saf. You tell me, what's your favourite thing about Mummy?
Okay.
Everything? Oh!
Even
Even Huggles! Oh, I love you. What about you, Manny? What is your favourite thing about me?
Well, what is it?
Oh wait, no. The question was, what is your best memory with me?
Oh, the best memory.
Yeah, like what is your favourite thing that we've ever done together?
There's lots.
There's lots, yeah. There are lots of things, aren't there?
Yeah.
There's too many to choose.
Like, yeah.
So have you got one that you can think of or not?
Like going places with you.
Yeah,
And
like,
everyone else.
Yeah, like we like going to like walks and holidays and things like that. What were you going to say?
I liked it.
Greater Manor.
Yeah, I like that.
When we went on rides and stuff.
Yeah, when we went together on rides and stuff.
Someone said, what's the best and worst thing about being twins? Guys, they're not twins. These two are not twins. They're how old are you?
10.
10? And how old are you?
8.
So there's 2 years difference between them. They're not twins. They look very similar. They're not twins. But what's your best thing about being sisters? You just said that though, didn't you?
Yeah.
Would you like to say something else?
Company.
Company, yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely. The next question is, do you guys like the same kind of food?
Sometimes, yeah. We don't like the same vegetable because I only like one vegetable. But I love loads. She only likes one. I love about 7.
Yeah, Imani likes lots and lots of vegetables. Mine doesn't like cucumber. Cucumber is water.
No, but it's water. It's just a bit of stuff in it.
Yeah, well, it's yummy anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Maya, you're going to like it when you get bigger and then you're going to be like, I don't know why I never liked this. That was like me. When I was younger, I used to be so fussy. And then when I got bigger, I just liked everything.
I'm not fussy about some vegetables.
Yeah, that's
like
good.
other vegetables.
Who is your favourite cousin? Is it
Can I
Elisa?
say it?
Yeah, of course you can.
Elisa.
Oh.
Yeah, because Luna, she's a bit smaller.
The reason that Elisa is their favourite is because
Layla as well.
yeah, they're like at a lovely age where they can all play together nicely and together.
And also,
yeah.
because Layla, she's really cute and little and she's a baby.
Yeah.
So we can just always play with. Well, as well when it comes to get around.
Yeah.
So, otherwise you get distracted. Like me.
Yeah. The next question is, what languages can your nieces speak?
So obviously English.
Yeah.
And we're learning Arabic.
Yes.
And at school we did some French, but they didn't teach us.
Yeah.
I know a bit, and I know a bit of Spanish.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But they can only speak English right now, but they are learning Arabic.
And I can speak a bit
languages
of Arabic.
in school.
I know a bit of Arabic words and stuff and all that stuff.
Yeah, that's so good. You got your test results, didn't you?
Yeah,
and
and
you
I
did so
Yeah.
good.
Mine was really
I'm
fun.
so proud of you.
I think I Islamic studies and
Yeah.
but I still did quite good in them.
You guys, I'm so proud of you guys. You're so clever.
And you know, in Arabic, I only got 1 or 2 questions wrong.
That's amazing.
But then I struggled on the team.
We have made some yummy food. Wow, that looks yummy. This is Mum's dal and chicken, delicious. Mum's vegetable curry, looks amazing. In here is my meat curry, amazing. Mum's washing up. And this is my naan bread dough. Look at it, so big, gorgeous. Totsia!
Hello.
She's doing Elisa's hair. She put loads of oily stuff in.
Because it was so naughty.
It was
Vera,
very
why didn't you
naughty.
brush your door?
She don't let me.
Yes, she does.
She does sometimes. I just did Maya's hair, which is so beautiful, mashallah. The curls are amazing. Like, I find it so hard to do the hair and control the curls. That curl cream is really good. I don't know what it looks like when it's dry though, because last time it didn't come out as good. Come here. But look how beautiful it looks. It's still wet, but I don't know how it's going to look when it's dry. I've got a hairdryer, but I don't have the diffuser bit, which is supposed to like dry it like this. But hopefully it will dry nicely. Tot's doing Imani's hair as well. We are just about to start the naan breads, and yeah, that's what we're doing. So it's the next day now. I'm just editing the vlog right here. It's the end of the vlog. But I just wanted to say happy birthday to Khadija, one of my little amazing subscribers who loves watching my videos. So happy birthday to you. Your birthday is today, so I hope you have a wonderful day and may Allah bless you with many more years, inshallah. But that is going to be the end of this vlog, so I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.